Hello everyone and welcome for this new video. I hope you are all safe and well. I hope that the COVID-19 pandemic has not affected you, and well, if it has affected you, all my thoughts are with you and all my solidarity to all those fighting the disease worldwide, which is now really a pandemic. So this is going to be an unusual video, but what else really is there to talk about? I really hope you can stay safe at home and protect yourself, protect your loved ones, and also protect others, because it doesn't seem like it if you protect yourself, if you do this social distancing that is required maybe in your country or not, depending on the situation. Right now, being an artist is the best occupation you can have due to the solitary nature of artistic creation. Like you can be alone in your studio or at home. You don't necessarily need to go out as much, but it doesn't mean that you're like stuck, because whenever you are painting, you're opening a huge universe. So even if you stay at home and it might feel like kind of depressing, think about art as an escape way to like open an infinite world around you. So it's not solitary, it's actually opening doors of imagination. So if you're already an artist, if you already have some experience, or if it's your first time, maybe this is the right time to start making art. Start using this time efficiently, be creative, and open new doors for your imagination, even if you can't go out. So the situation here in France, we are in confinement, we are in sort of lockdown. We're not allowed to move freely anymore. We can just go to the doctor, go shopping, just like grocery shopping. We can just go to work if it's work that can't be from home. And yeah, and we can help like people like elderly or children. But that's all we can do. We're pretty much stuck at home, and we are hoping that the numbers will not go too high, that it's impossible for the hospitals to handle this situation. So right now it's just let's stick together and be and keep the solidarity and avoid to have too many contacts that could avoid spreading the disease more than it has to. And yeah, so for me personally, my life is not really that affected, because I like, this is my everyday routine, like going in my studio and working pretty much alone for like hours and hours. So I don't really mind. Well, of course it changes things on how I go outside, and of course I do go outside, but it's not I can't handle being stuck in my studio and working. It's kind of making me even more efficient in a way. My family is safe, so I'm blessed with this situation. I'm safe. My family's safe. My son is really growing up really fast. He's super happy, and yeah. But well, all my thoughts to those who are not living the situation as good as I am, and this is unlike anything we've seen before, and this is definitely going to change the world, or force the world to change, sort of. It's a very crazy situation, but I think art still has value, and I've been questioning what's the meaning of all this? What's the meaning of art, and what's the point actually? And I think art is actually, it's not helping, like practically speaking. You're not healing people, you're not treating, you're not a doctor, of course, you're not putting food on anybody's table, but you can still help by providing spiritual comfort in a way, or try to explain what can't be explained. Like yeah, of course there's a lot of suffering in this world, and art is kind of an answer to this incomprehensible question of why is there so much suffering. Maybe there's something hidden, maybe there's a hidden message behind this, or maybe it's just to take the attention away. You have two approaches basically. You have the comedy or the tragedy. You can entertain people and make them think about things that are more joyful and happy, or you can like reveal the hidden message of the tragedy, of the suffering. You have two approaches. So if you paint a beautiful landscape with just a happy sun, you're taking people in another dimension where they can forget about their all the suffering from the world. Or if you're painting a very dark and a very cruel painting, you're also helping maybe understand some sort of hidden message that this all might have. And yeah, this is still an important role. It doesn't show up right in the middle of the crisis like this, but it's a long process. And so the thing is, keep making art, keep doing what you do. It will help people somehow in the end. Not technically and practically. What you can do practically to help people is stay home, stay safe, and follow the orders that like the government is giving you in your country, depending on the situation. What the doctors tell you to do, just follow these orders very carefully. That's super important. And help by not spreading the disease more than it has to. It's already spreading pretty fast, so just by making art, staying safe at home, and focusing on imagination, creation, you're kind of helping already. So I'll update you on the situation. I think I'm gonna keep producing like the normal art videos as I usually do, because why stop? Why stop if you want to learn art, if you want to do something creative? I mean, now is the best time, so my contribution could be to just help you in this process. So keep making art, keep being creative. I'll see you for the next video. Stay safe and have fun painting, have fun drawing. Bye.